Hi everyone, did you know Windows 11 records everything you copy? Every text, link or password you copy can be saved in Clipboard history. If you press the Windows key plus V together, you will see that all your copy-paste activities are being recorded and tracked by Windows. So to disable it, follow these steps. Simply go to your Windows settings. Then go to System. Scroll down and click on Clipboard. From here, clear the clipboard data and turn off the clipboard history option. Now go to Accounts. Scroll down, click on Windows Backup. Now under Remember My Preferences, click on this drop down and make sure Other Windows Settings is unchecked. Now search for gpedit.msc and open the Edit Group Policy option. Now under Computer Configuration, expand Administrative Templates, then System, then go to OS Policies. Here you will find the option of Allow Clipboard Synchronization across devices. Double click on it, set it to Disabled and save the change. Once done, close everything and restart your computer and you're good to go. So thanks for watching. Please feel free to subscribe and support the channel if you found the content helpful. Thank you.